stop playing with him.
Davinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Davinci and this is actually going to be a 3-part video. I show you guys how to revamp it. I show you guys how to braid your hair for a weave, how to install your weave, and how to tone and style your hair, all in how I did it. I could wear it up. It's very versatile. This is like super versatile weave. Good. Put it all the way up into a ponytail if you'd like. All right, so this is my braiding pattern. All of this that's out is gonna be our leave out. And this right here is going to be like our base braid. It's 11:30. So this like base braid might be the hardest braid because everything else could be as salty as it wants to be because we're gonna use a net. Here, you could keep going in a circle, you could go straight back, but if you go straight back, then you're gonna have like all these other ones you gotta deal with. So I'm gonna just keep going in a circle. I'm gonna just keep on going in a circle and I'll be back to show you guys how to sew on a net. Okay, so I'm about to show you guys how to thread a needle thread, just in case you didn't know how. I'm taking some nylon thread, and it's like my arm's length. Then we're gonna use a weaving needle, like a little sheath for the crip. I just lift the end. We just add the needle to the thread. We're gonna take our knot and literally just double knot it. So I just managed to thread all of them because I'm gonna eventually need them all, so why not? Okay, so this is the style weaving cap that I'm gonna be using. I really hate weaving nets. Anything with all these holes in it just makes me want to throw up. So let's bear with me. So we put it on our head, and this is our leave out. So we're not going to do anything with these braids. We're going to just sew everything else. Just get this on and get this cut off. Literally, this hairstyle has been taking me no time. You just feel for your leave out. And I got 6 needles threaded. So we're gonna cut it down here just because it's kind of short. And then we're going to double knot it. Ugly net. And this is easy. You just cut in the middle. And then it's gonna really just form itself. And just make sure you don't cut your hair. Good base. All right, let's go get her hair. So this is the hair all dry. Y'all see that? Looks freaking beautiful. It's actually like not all dry, but it's damp. Let me show you guys what I sprayed on the hair to get these amazing curls. So I sprayed this bamboo and silk HCO leave-in conditioner. Okay, so this is my longest bundle of hair, so I'm gonna just start by putting this in the back. And in the back, I am going to double weft it, just in case you guys wanted to know. This is exciting. I haven't done a weave in like ages. So double wefting is just literally taking the weft. Mine is kind of wet, okay? But taking the weft and just folding it. So it'll go good right here. And I'm applying this first one underneath, like underneath my braid. Just so when I put it up in a ponytail, it's nice. It goes up perfectly and it's good, you know?
Walking downstairs, saw your purse sitting in the hallway. Thinking, what's that about? Started conversating, then you asked me all about my shampoo. Woke up feeling funny, but to do is money, so it's okay.
So we're gonna just go across like this. So I'm gonna do the flip over method. I typically like to have like middle parts, but this was gonna be best and more versatile for this curliness. So you got a few ways that you could do the top. You could either cut them into individual pieces like this and somewhat lay them, what is this? Vertically? Like you can go like this, which might be cuter. That might be what I end up doing. Or if you don't want to cut individual strands, another thing that you could do is you could continue. You could just go like this. So you could add the hair. You can put the hair there. Add another piece here. Then add another piece here. And you still have the versatility of, you know, wearing it to the middle, side, or whatnot. So I'm gonna just keep going like this, just backwards, because it's gonna be easier.